Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Kevin. This is part of our series on the little things that make a difference. We're going to be talking about the Stealth LED driving lights today. This is a small thing. It's tucked out of the way, but it makes a huge difference. Two things that makes a difference on. Number one, being more visible, being seen by the cagers out there. Number two, riding at nighttime, it really lights up the side of the road down low. So when we turn it on, that little bit of light right there, it's down low, it's very bright. It does not blind oncoming traffic because it's down low and pointing straight ahead. So it's lighting up the road really, really well and off to the side so that you can see any critters that might be off the side of the road. But it's also very visible without blinding the oncoming traffic. So this is a little thing that makes a big difference both in safety of other people seeing you and you being able to see when you're riding at nighttime. So this is a little thing that makes a pretty big difference. It'll work on any motorcycle that has a 12-volt system, and you can use a variety of different clamps to clamp it on wherever you want, whether it be to the frame, the engine guard, wherever you want. We've even used two of them together up top as headlights on a Sportster. Works really well. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. We would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It helps us out. It doesn't cost you anything. And share this video with your friends. They'll probably appreciate it. This is a really good little thing that makes a big, big difference. Y'all ride safe out there.